Hello, so now I'm gonna teach you how to make a prep design. This is my fourth video. Thank you. First, open Photoscape as you see here. Then click editor. Then open a prep design background. Sure. You can also search at the images.google.com preppy background or preppy sign. How about I'm gonna choose this one or gonna zoom it. There, then go to objects, then add a photo. Of course, it should be a PNG photo, or else if it's not a PNG photo, it will cover all the it will cover the image, the preppy background. So I'm gonna choose DJ, the Padilla. There. I'm gonna put text. You can also put text if you want. Then I'm gonna change the font. Then I'm gonna arrange it. I'm gonna edit it. Okay. Then photos plus objects. Then save it. Thank you for watching my fourth video. I hope you like it. Goodbye.